What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Sorry for the lack of videos. I've been hot as shit in my house because my air conditioning decided to go out, but hey, it's all good. We're here with the video today, and we're going to be talking about SPY because tomorrow is FOMOMC Day. FOMOMC Day tomorrow. Now, I want you to take a look at the daily chart. We're looking at SPY here. This is my thought process. So if you chart the gaps, for example, I put a red dotted line on the lower gap on the daily time frame. The gap is between 369.38 and 370.18. So I mark that right there. Now we have an up gap, or a gap to the upside, right around 394.08 to 399.71. Oops, wrong line. So I'm going to draw another line here on the downside of this gap, and this is going to be basically an RSI that we just created on the chart. Now look at these two lines that I just made, that I just charted. Now we're going to draw a midline in the middle of these two. It's probably about right there. And then we'll make this one gray to represent this is fair value. Now look at the real RSI down here, comparatively speaking to this one here. Pretty much the same thing, right? I think that's our trading range. Now, am I saying that I think it's going to run to 394 tomorrow? I'm not sure. However, I do know the current situation in the market environment. There's historic cash in the system. Inflation was engineered. And at some point, the inflation has got to go down. The question is, when will that happen? With FOMOMC tomorrow, I highly recommend not making any trades until after the repo market data comes out at 12:15 Central Time, because that will be of utmost importance to your decisions going forward throughout the day. So for me, if at 12:15 Central Standard Time I see a big drop in repo just prior to the Fed minutes from the FOMC, I'm more than likely going long on calls because I still expect an upside move somewhere around that 400 mark to close up this gap on the daily, the only gap of its size in the near vicinity. So again, this is our range right here. I think if we see a floor, it's going to be around 369.38. If we see a ceiling, it's going to be around 394, possibly even higher if it decides to go ahead and close up that gap tomorrow. So we'll see. Not financial advice, obviously, but I'm going call side. I think bear season's just about over, so keep that in mind. Good luck, everyone, and we'll see what happens.